Holy crap. I am under a tornado warning right now. This is, it's different when I'm not at home and this happens. I'm in it, baby! Holy shit, hold on! Holy crap, hold up a second. Oh, it's starting to rain too. Let's go. Oh my God. I am in a tornado warning. Oh, this is crazy. This ain't Beloit. I'm actually in the warning. Well, I'm not getting no deliveries right now. It's nope. This town has bad luck or something. This is literally... Holy crap. No, I'm not. Actually, I'm not doing it. I'm a newbie. I'm going inside. This is different. This is not when I'm at home. Look at the wind. All right, I gotta go, guys. Like I said, I'm not playing with this.